Hello and welcome to Fresh Ideas for You and for Me. How to make chocolate-covered strawberries. You can use your favorite type of chocolate for making these. Try to find berries with the long stems attached. This is easier to hold when decorating the fruit and eating. If you don't have melting discs, you can use melted chocolate chips. The riper the strawberries, the better, because they'll taste a lot sweeter against the chocolate. If you're rolling the berries in toppings like nuts or sprinkles, do it when the coating is still wet. Here are some sample coated and sprinkle strawberries. If you're drizzling with more chocolate or caramel sauce, you can do this after the coating sets. Ingredients: 12 strawberries, 6 ounces milk chocolate. Instructions for sauce. 1. Melt the chocolate in the microwave in 30-second increments, stirring in between. 1. First wash the strawberries. 2. Dry the strawberries with a paper towel. 3. Dip them in the melted chocolate, allowing any extra chocolate to drip off. 4. Before placing the strawberries on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 4. Let strawberries sit until completely hardened before serving. Nutrition information. Yield: 12 servings, amount per serving, 85 calories. Carbohydrates: 8 grams. Fat: 5 grams. Saturated fat: 3 grams. Sodium: 1 milligram. Potassium: 98 milligrams. Fiber: 1 gram. Sugar: 5 grams. Thanks for visiting Fresh Ideas for You and for Me. Enjoy eating your delicious chocolate-covered strawberries.